Hi, and welcome to the Functional Academics program. My name is Miss Leutenegger. This is my second year at South Belton Middle School and my 8th year teaching. Prior to my arrival last year, I was a elementary special education teacher for 6 years. I am the math and science functional academics teacher, as well as a section of community skills.
I'm Miss Calahan. I am the English and Social Studies part of the Functional Academics program here, along with community skills. I have been teaching for 5 years, and this is my 5th year at South Belton Middle School. Prior to that, I was a para at Belton High School in the Life Skills program, and prior to that, I was working as a music therapist out in the southern Indiana area. Let's see. Here in our Functional Academics program at South Belton Middle School, you'll often find us working together as a team with our support staff and awesome team of paraprofessionals, working with our students to promote independence and organization, along with communication skills such as asking for help, promoting communications for wants and needs, and going about our daily activities for everyday communication, for interacting with each other and social skills, like making eye contact and navigating the school community. We have conference periods during 3rd and 6th period, and we are able to be reached through our email addresses and the school main line, and can be transferred that way.
Our curriculum utilizes, we are using Schoology this year for our virtual learning platform. And through Schoology, we will often link students to Google Drive activities. Cami is a tool that we often use to annotate and work on PDFs. We will sometimes have students work in a program specifically for special education students called Vizzle. And we also utilize Boom cards, which are super fun for the kids, and they really like working on that. And that will all be accessed through Schoology.
In addition to that, we might also have our students work with secondary curriculum or active content materials that we find and create outside of these programs to help support student needs and IEPs based on the content that we are teaching. We work with different reading programs, we work with different science curriculum, and a lot of that stuff is geared and differentiated and modified for each student's individual needs. Some of the material might be Velcro or matching activities. Some of it might be sequenced or simplified writing activities. It just depends really on what our students' needs are. Everything is different and tailored for each student. It's a very high-paced, energetic class. Every day is different, but we love it. And we always encourage and invite everyone to come in and see what we're doing. No person is a stranger in our classroom, and we really promote an inviting atmosphere.
And just to have a quick little tour of the classroom, you can see the tables behind me. There's all of the tables and chairs are marked 6 feet apart to be safe and make this in-person learning environment a healthy and safe place to be.
Same. We also have student binders set up where we are promoting, again, organization independence for our students to come in, sanitize their hands when they enter our classrooms, go straight to their binders, take them to their spots where they're getting their materials, setting up for their day, and getting going with their lessons. If you have any questions about our program, what our students are learning about, please feel free to contact us and ask your questions. I hope you've enjoyed your tour.
And we look forward to a great year with your students. Bye.